guys, and welcome back to my channel. So quick one guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing my first beauty box ever. Yeah, I have never actually been subscribed for a beauty product or for a beauty box, so this is my first subscription ever, and I've got the GlossyBox, which I'm yet to open, by the way. I'm actually very excited because I've actually never owned a beauty box subscription, so this is actually my first one. But at the same time, I'm actually very anxious because I keep thinking, what's inside? Am I going to get value for my money? Am I going to see good content inside the box? I really do not know. But yes guys, I just got my first beauty box ever, and I think I'm starting to get a thing for beauty boxes because I've ordered I've subscribed to quite a number of them, or just two more, not a number. So guys, if you are contemplating buying your first beauty box or contemplating being subscribed for your first beauty box, don't worry, keep watching this video, sharing my excitement and see if it's worth it. So I'm going to be opening this box now. I am hoping that the product or the content of this box are valuable and they are worth it. This box was only about £13.95. I think I'm correct, otherwise I'm going to leave the correct figure on the screen. Okay, so first off, I just quickly want to mention that when my order came, or I got a notification that my order was going to be delivered, and I got this box that already opened out of anxiety. So I got this box first, and I was very skeptical when it came because, can you hear it? It's very light. So when this came, I opened it because it's very light and I found just this inside. So apparently when you make a subscription on GlossyBox, you get a freebie, and I got a Laura Mercier lipstick. To be honest, this is definitely the most expensive lipstick I've got currently. And I've got a Fenty lipstick, but I don't know what the price is exactly because it was a gift. So this is probably the most expensive. This was my freebie for this subscription. So this freebie delivery came on its own, and when I contacted the customer service, because again I was quite worried why I got just this as my delivery, but I got informed that when you make a subscription and you get a freebie, they usually send your order in different batches. So just in case you make an order and you get yours differently, don't panic the way I did, or don't get scared, don't worry. They usually send their boxes between 5th and 12th of every month, so they said when I contacted them. So yeah, I got my freebie first, and then my main box came in later. I really struggled with opening that box guys, but yeah guys, I just opened the box and this is all that is inside the box. And this, so let's see what's this. So apart from the freebie that I just showed you, so you get 2 other freebies as well, I think for UK orders only. So you get a free case of beer and a free vinyl box, and this is a voucher for something else which I don't seem interested in. So let's get to opening the main box. So guys, my box is wrapped with care. I must say I am quite sold out with the packaging. I am quite impressed with the packaging. So I am opening this. It's quite a light box anyway guys. So the first item I'm seeing is a Gold Max Eye, which is this. So it's a revitalizing luxury gold foil eye max. I'm just gonna open it and see. It smells lovely, and it's placed underneath your eyes, obviously. Contains serum and it helps in removing eye bags. I've never tried one before, so I am quite excited to try this one out and see how it feels, or how well it works on me. Yeah, so guys, the next product is a vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid night moisturizer, and I'll show you guys. And I'm just going to pour some of the contents on my hands. It has a very mild smell, and I'm just going to put some of that product on my face. See how it's blending really nice. Yeah, it does feel cool and warm on my face. It feels really soft. My face is feeling like a baby's bum right now. So yeah guys, the moisturizer definitely looks like a product that I'm going to be using long time. It feels really great on my skin, and I like how mild and gentle the smell is. So on to the very next product, and it's this, I am very terrible with names, but it's this hand cream, and it's clearly written here that it's for dry skin. It contains some shea butter and it's for dry skin. So guys, I really do not know how I feel about this product because I've got sweaty palms on the arms, and this is saying it's for dry skin. I don't know if this will be quite useful to me considering that I have sweaty palms, but we will see how it goes, right? Yeah, that does feel great on my hands, but I've got sweaty palms and I don't know if it's something that I can use. And I think this is the thing with beauty boxes, or this is my bias with beauty boxes, it's that many of them are not specifically customized to people's health or beauty needs, so they just give generic products which you might never use. So for the next product in my box, it is this lemongrass soap. It smells lemony. That's just all, it just smells lemony. Yeah, but it's not stated if it's a face soap or if it's a body soap, so I'm not so sure what I'm supposed to do with this. Yep, it contains 100% vegetable fat and 90% natural ingredients, but that's all the information. Yeah, so I am not sure what I'm doing with this one yet. And then on to the next product, we have this side. Again, I'm very terrible with names, but we've got this bronzer. I have torn the pack because I was struggling to take it out of the pack, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Of course, I cannot put this on my skin right now because I've got some moisturizer on my face, but I'm definitely going to be wearing this next time I am wearing makeup. So guys, that is all we've got in this box. Again, we've got the eye max, the vitamin C night moisturizer, the hand cream which I can't use of course, the lemongrass soap, and lastly the bronzer. So guys, one last thing, I've just found this in my box, and apparently it's a scan me card which is supposed to tell me about the Glossy magazine with all of my products in it. So I was supposed to scan this first before going through all of my products, because this was supposed to give me like an insight of the content, but I'm just going to do it now anyways. So guys, this takes me to the Glossy magazine, and it's got a lot of information here which I am not sure I'll be reading through, but just a quick one. So apparently the Gold Eye Max cost £6. The vitamin C night moisturizer cost £59.99. The hand cream, which contains shea butter, cost about £22. The bronzer cost about £24. And lastly, the lemongrass soap is only about £2.95, but that is overall about £200. Don't forget, we also got a freebie Laura Mercier lipstick, so I think that's fair enough for a little over £13 box. Yeah, totally enjoyed unboxing this box of mine, and I hope you've totally enjoyed unboxing this box with me as well. If you have, do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this box. If it was worth my money, if it was not, what products are you likely to use, and what products would you not use if this were to be your box? Don't forget to leave your comments, like, comment, subscribe, please. Subscribe, that one is the most important one. And thank you again for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.